Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Identity and Access Administrator SC-300. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SC-300 is: what role does Azure Privileged Identity Management (PIM) play in managing privileged access? Your answer should be: Azure PIM helps manage, control, and monitor access to privileged roles in Azure AD, Azure, and other Microsoft Online services. It enables just-in-time access, access reviews, and monitoring of privileged activities. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of identity governance in Azure AD. Your answer should be: identity governance in Azure AD involves defining and enforcing policies and processes related to identity lifecycle management, access reviews, entitlement management, and compliance reporting to ensure proper governance of identities and access. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure compliance with regulatory requirements in identity and access management? Your answer should be: compliance can be ensured by implementing features such as access controls, auditing and reporting, role-based access control (RBAC), privileged access management (PAM), and regular access reviews to meet regulatory requirements. Our next interview question is: what are the best practices for securing identities and access in a Microsoft environment? Your answer should be: best practices include enforcing strong authentication methods, implementing least privilege access, regularly reviewing access permissions, enabling logging and monitoring, conducting security training and awareness programs, and staying updated with security patches and updates. Our next question is: can you explain the process of onboarding a new user in Azure AD? Your answer should be: onboarding a new user involves creating a user account in Azure AD, assigning licenses and permissions, configuring authentication methods, setting up email and other services, and providing necessary training and resources. Our next interview question is: how do you handle identity and access management in hybrid environments with both on-premises and cloud resources? Your answer should be: hybrid identity solutions such as Azure AD Connect are used to synchronize on-premises identities with Azure AD. Access controls and authentication methods can be configured to ensure seamless access to resources across both environments while maintaining security and compliance. Our next interview question is: what are the differences between Azure AD Join and Azure AD Domain Join? Your answer should be: Azure AD Join is primarily used for joining devices to Azure AD for cloud-based identity management and device management, while Azure AD Domain Join is used to join devices to an on-premises Active Directory domain. Our next interview question is: how do you configure password policies in Azure AD? Your answer should be: password policies in Azure AD can be configured through the Azure portal or using PowerShell. This includes setting password complexity requirements, password expiration policies, and enforcing password history. Our next interview question is, what is Azure AD identity protection and how does it help improve security? Your answer should be Azure AD Identity Protection is a feature that helps organizations detect and respond to identity-based risks and threats. It uses machine learning and anomaly detection to identify suspicious activities and provides recommendations for remediation. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.